Rere tirita ria mbere ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini bururi-ini gukorwo igitetirithia wirutiri wayo hari gukinyaniria wiyathi wa kuiturira mitambo-ini ya ukinyaniria. Dr. Fred Matiangi ruwagikindira o ringi thirikari ndire na methugunda makuhinga nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ona kana mitambo iri ya kamiti ya IBC igakorwo ikihuthira kurekereria maumirira ma githurano kinene.
Kenyans chose democracy and we gave it to ourselves through our constitution. The government is not going to act otherwise. We will respect freedoms in the hope that as we respect the freedoms of others, those who would like to exercise their freedoms in expression, in association, in supporting their preferred candidates and individuals will do so while taking into consideration the welfare of the whole of society.
Atongoria mwe ngwataniro-ini ya Kenya Kwanza ni makoretwo magikuwira thirikari gukorwo na mubango wa guthoga mitambo ya urekereria wa maumirira ma githurano kinene. Matiangi agiteaniria ndeto ino.
No amount of insults, as I've said before, no amount of criticism of us in the executive branch of government will tempt us enough to resort to retrogressive acts of interfering with freedoms like shutting the internet or, clawing back on freedoms we have acquired through the constitution and through the law.
When we are doing this one, others will also follow what we are doing so that we can eliminate the problems which have been out there and we don't see people. They are just bullying us in the social media.
Matiangi no acokereire ndereti igie huduma namba akiuga mubango uyu warongoreirie kuhuthahuthia wira wa thirikari kuria ngetheire wagagu wigie ugitiri wa maundu makonie muingi.
The argument revolved around rights, revolved around protection of information and so on and so forth. We respect their argument and we respect their concerns because as public officials we cannot denigrate their views. But look, we are better off building systems that collate and coordinate this data and information and develop a single source of truth that we protect than have scattered data sets across the board. So the drive for Huduma is important and very crucial and is one way towards moving us to a much more protective, a much more clearer and reliable basis of operation.
Munene wa borithi Hilary Mutambo ni ahinyiririe bata wa kugitira mitambo ya ukinyaniria makiria kiuga ciiko cia kuguoyohia nenda-ini cia kiriu na ithiete na mbere ciongererekete kuma mwaka wa 2017.
Cybercrime bullies in social media, they are so rampant compared to what I'm seeing this year. That means the introduction of the law has started having impact. But it's the beginning. We are expecting for us to continue investing in this area until we become secure.
Bururi-ini urigainie wa Uganda mbere ya githurano kinene mwaka muhituku, President wa bururi ucio Yoweri Museveni ni athanire mitambo ya ukinyaniria ihingwo undu uria wahutirie nenda ciothe cia kiriu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.